Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're not in a video, you get super notified. So in this video, we're going to be reviewing Acorns or Acorns. In this video, we're going to be reviewing Acorns platform, which is one of the best investment platform you can actually invest your money in and save for the future. And with this platform, you can actually benefit a lot of features within this space. And I'm going to walk you through the whole platform and what I feel about the website, and if at all you want to invest your money and save a lot for the future purpose. So I think this website should be one of the best websites you can actually use to invest your money and have a huge growth in your investment in the near future. So on this platform, you can see the website URL acorns.com, and then you can see all the features which you can actually start investing in. We have the investment subcategory, we have the later retirement and the early for the kids, and the sustainable section, which you can actually also use as a growth portfolio for your investment. And we also have the Bitcoin section, which is just the new option which they just add to the platform. And they also have some other features as well, which is the banking option, the earning, learning, and the prices, which are going to be paying based on the monthly basis or annual basis. And of course, we are going to check that out in some minute. So this is actually the website interface, and Acorns helps you to save and invest your money. So invest, pay, change while you bank, earn bonus investment, grow your knowledge and more. So you can also click on here to get started, or click here to get started with the platform, and then that's just for that moment. So you can also save and invest through the Acorns mobile app, which you earn, invest, early banking, and all the features which are available on their website. You can also click on to get started here to sign up with over 10 million people who are already using Acorns to invest their money. You can automatically save and invest your money as well based on how much you are spending out. You can set out how much you actually want to save upon any amount you are sending or spending on a daily basis within the app. So every purchase means an opportunity to invest your spare change. So coffee for $3.25 become a $0.75 investment in your future. So you say you grow your earnings as long as you have enough with you in your savings with Acorns, and your earnings will also keep on increasing day by day. So it all depends on how much you actually invest to have a huge growth in the near future from Acorns platform. Then you can also give your money the chance to work as hard as you do. So the more hard you work, you are going to see the reward within the Acorns as long as you invest your money with the platform. So this will not just be like you put your money in some banks and they will still be deducting some charges or money maintenance fee from your balance. So instead of that, you can just come down to this platform and then invest your money, and also have access to the huge profit on any amount of money you save or invest within the app. So it's quite simple investment app that almost millions of people are using to save and invest their money on a daily basis. So you can also be one of the customer now and enjoy all the features that is on the platform, which is Acorn. And most of big fintech platform are also reviewing this app. That is actually a great app you can also use to invest your money or save your money. So the simple and transparent plan, which you also have on the app if you are looking for a way to save or invest your money. So rather than surprise fee, we bundle our products into subscription tiers that provide financial wellness tools. So for the most popular one, which is personal, and they charge $3 per month, which include all-in-one investment, retirement, and checking, plus a Meta Acorns Visa debit card with bonus investment, financial education, and many more. So you can also click on here to see what is included in this plan, so you definitely know what you should be getting on this plan. So you get investment account, retirement account, bank, no overdraft fee ever, 5,000 fee-free ATM nationwide and around the world. Instantly invest spare change while you shop with real-time round. So like I said earlier on, the more money you spend out, you can set a budget on how much you want to be saving on any amount you send out. So that is one of the best way to save money, and you enjoy bonus investment, which is up to 150 plus in our partner brand, which will also help you to spend less on most of the things you are purchasing online, probably food, gadgets, and some other stuffs like that, which is also one of the great things you will also enjoy while partnering or investing with Acorns. You earn up to 30% invested when you shop. Just imagine 30%. Most of investment app give like 15%, 10%, 20%, maybe monthly or annually. But this Acorn platform provides you 30% investment return on any purchase you purchase through the app or through the platform. Find a site also with Job Finder. They also provide you how you can actually find a job within the space so that you can also be able to earn more money for yourself. Let's check on the Personal Plus, which costs $5 per month, and this one is mainly to invest investment account for kids plus personal investment. So it also includes all what is in personal plan, and you can also enjoy exclusive offer and unique way to grow your knowledge. So let's check on this. I guess this have more features just as it's supposed to be. So you can see what you'll be enjoying. You see, early investment account for kids is not actually included on the personal own, but you have it on the plus one. So that is also a plus. But if you also think like this one will be much for you and you don't have any kid you want to invest for, so I would prefer you go for the most popular one, which is the personal. You can get started with that and see how you grow your income and investments in the near future. So this platform is actually great based on what I've seen so far. And if you also have questions, you can reach out to the customer support. It's quite easy to get in touch with the customer support. You can also say invest for your future, later start today, and then earn extra income, early investors, bank smarter. So these are the features you'll be able to enjoy while partnering with Acorns to enjoy all the benefits and grow your money while you are not using them. That means you are investing the spare change you have with you so that it won't just go useless. So these are the things I actually have for you. If you're looking for a way to invest with this platform, I should also tell you that the idea is actually great, and you can also proceed and invest with Acorns in order to enjoy all the profits they are for you, and also have a reward for any kind of little amount you have with you, and then you'll be able to enjoy your old time in the near future. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It really means a lot to me, and it also helps me in producing more content more like this. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.